All right, friends, today I'm making an apple cinnamon shake, and I'm starting it with our vegan protein. You could use vegan or whey. Either one works. I like to, one of my servings of protein a day, I like to at least be sure I'm using vegan, much more kidney friendly. And so that's our base, is the vanilla. And then we're gonna put some ice in this. And I've got an apple cut up for each of us. Cram it all in there. I'm gonna put a scoop of flax in. Adds a ton of nutrients and some good flavor. You can buy this by the case on Amazon. And Ceylon cinnamon. I buy this by the pound on Amazon. And then I put some in a sprinkle bottle for easy access, and then use this when I'm cooking or want bigger portions. And we both love cinnamons. I'm doing probably a couple teaspoons of cinnamon in this. And non-dairy milk always. Do not want to consume dairy. It is not good for you. It is the root of many, many, many disease. His and hers shakes this morning. I will blend these and be right back. All right, we are both enjoying these shakes. Super, super yummy. And yet another twist on a protein shake. Great nutrients, great fall flavor.
Hey, they're good. People will